creating a vacuum environment that helps prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. The vegetable packaging line is equipped with the most advanced technology, allowing for packaging a variety of vegetables with high speed and absolute accuracy. We extend our sincerest gratitude for accompanying us on this captivating expedition through the realm of industrial food machinery. Your participation has been invaluable, enriching our journey beyond measure. If you found this exploration as enlightening as we did, we invite you to express your support by engaging with our content. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes of Go Tech, where we promise to continue delivering enriching insights. Until we meet again, continue to explore, innovate, and we eagerly anticipate. Go Tech isn't just a conduit to unique experiences, satisfying video, it's a wellspring inspiration, continually elevating expectations and delivering astonishment through the latest technological breakthroughs worldwide. Don't miss out on the chance to delve into the captivating world of satisfying video content with Go Tech.
Don't miss out on the chance to delve into the captivating world of satisfying video content with Go Tech.
Look at those delicious pieces of meat. It's not just a culinary treat, but also an adventure through delicious tastes and aromas. Let them make your meal even more special. With sweet and fragrant meat, tuna offers a unique culinary experience, making each piece of meat watery and melt in the mouth. The high nutrition and unique flavor of tuna make it a favorite choice for many food lovers. In addition, tuna is also a source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health. The variety of tuna processing from sashimi to grilled, raised or cooked in soup all brings richness and appeal to the meal. Automatic saws for cutting frozen and fresh products, with or without bones, RA. Cutting frozen and fresh produce is faster and more efficient than ever, helping to optimize production processes and reduce waste. The versatility of this automatic saw allows it to process both bone-in and boneless products, from poultry and beef to salmon and tuna. This creates a diverse selection for food manufacturers and restaurants, helping them increase production efficiency and respond quickly to market needs. Look at the sharp blade cutting those pork ribs in half. It is a strong and flexible image of professionalism and sophistication in food art. Each cut of the blade is not only an emphasis on the precision and technique of the chef, but also a symbol of strength and sharpness in the cooking process. The tip of the blade moves through each part of the meat with smoothness and delicacy, creating thin, smooth and uniform slices of meat. Each slice of pork ribs is not only a dish, but also a work of art, technique and enthusiasm. The combination of the sophistication of the blade and the freshness of the pork ribs creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Have you enjoyed the taste of salmon? It's a wonderful culinary experience not to be missed. Salmon is not only a automatic bread production line is an advanced and effective technology helping to increase productivity and ensure product quality. It not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures the final product has stable quality and meets market needs. Looking at these funny little bagels, do you feel interesting? With its delicate round shape and great taste, bagels are a perfect choice for every meal occasion. The automatic production line of tin bread with sesame seeds with a large capacity of 1,350 kilograms per hour is a breakthrough in the food industry. With the ability to mass and continuously produce, this line does not only helps enhance performance, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the final product.